First, beat the egg whites with an electric mixer until fluffy. Then add half of the sugar gradually and beat again until it forms stiff peaks. In another bowl, mix the egg yolks, vanilla extract, and the remaining sugar together until fluffy. In a separate bowl, mix the milk, or water, saffron, and rose water together, then add it to the egg yolk mixture and beat until well combined. Add the sifted flour and baking powder to the egg yolk mixture and mix until homogeneous. Gradually fold in the beaten egg whites into the mixture until well combined. Finally, add the oil and mix until incorporated. Pour the batter into a greased baking pan and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes. Once baked, remove from the oven, separate the cake from the edges of the pan, and transfer it to a serving dish. For the sauce, mix the confectioner's cream, honey, and steeped saffron together, then heat over a double boiler for about 3 minutes until the honey is dissolved. Pour the sauce over the cake before serving.